We're so busy, rushing from place to place. We pass right by the very things we need the most. Nature is everywhere. And sometimes the most beautiful places are right there in the city. You just have to be open to finding them.
I'm Bill, and I'm a beekeeper in Boston. I feel like people, kids especially, are disconnected from nature. So I try to bring it to them. As humans, we're connected to nature. We're naturally drawn to it, and we crave it. And when we don't have nature in our lives, we feel that loss. We see the effects in our lives and our kids' lives of nature deficit disorder.
Here's what queen bee look like. She's big. Bigger than the other bees.
Yeah, she is bigger than you.
Oh, there's
And I struggle with this because nature is everywhere. How are we missing it? How are our kids missing it? When I was little, my brother and I caught bees in jars and watched them and studied them and felt so connected to nature, to all the wild things around us.
the yellow jacket has more yellow, and the bee has orange.
I want that for all children.
I'm so happy you came. I love talking about bees.
I want them to hear the birds, understand bees, taste honey, and share in nature. Kids crave nature. We all crave nature. And nature is everywhere, even in the city. So we'll just take a look at what's going on. Yes. Do you feel any honey on there? There's a good sized population.
That's the biggest problem I've had, is having the queen survive.
They're bringing in pollen. There are lots of foragers out there, so don't be too discouraged.
Yeah.
There are more bees. I teach. I hope I inspire. I try to inspire. I try to lead. I love the map line on the bottom right hand corner. I want to help bring nature into people's lives in the city. I want kids and my neighbors and my community to realize that nature is for everyone.
You're so smart.
It helps us all because we're all connected. And we all have to be open to nature. Take a look at those ones there. Those other ones have so learning. That's nice looking comb. Nice and yellow. Growing. Sharing. And where the drones were on this side. That's all full of connecting. You can see it's all shiny. Oh, we did have foundation because I can tell because of the
Isn't
wire.
this what we did when I came to your shop?
Yeah, we might have.
Yeah, I think so.
I feel so much joy when I'm out in nature. And I want that for everyone.
Yeah, they look good. I'm happy for them.
Just amazing.
Yeah, it's
And we have to mix them all together.
The real magic of nature is that it stays with you. You don't just enter it or pass through it. You carry it. It's a part of you always. It's not a goal or a chore or a line item you need to check off your to-do list. It's a gift, a calmness, a light, a perspective, a joy, and even a friend.